Some muscle cars are fast. Some are iconic. But only a few become immortal. The 1969 Dodge Charger R/T didn't just dominate the streets. It dominated American culture. From small-town drag strips to Hollywood blockbusters, the '69 Charger became the definition of raw, unapologetic power. Tonight, you're stepping inside the world of the most feared, most recognized, and most worshipped Mopar ever built. 1. The face of a muscle car revolution. 1969 was the year Dodge refined perfection. The redesigned grille. The full-width taillight panel. The more aggressive stance. The '69 Charger wasn't subtle. It was a threat. A warning. A muscular silhouette that told everyone else on the road, move. 2. The R/T badge, a warning label. When you saw R/T on a Charger, you knew it wasn't a cruiser. It meant road/track, Dodge's top performance package. It meant heavy-duty suspension, performance gearing, and big block firepower. And when you saw the R/T stripe wrapping around the tail, you knew the driver wasn't here to play. 3. Hollywood makes it a legend. While the '68 Charger stole the show in bullet, the 1969 Charger R/T became a worldwide superstar thanks to the Dukes of Hazzard, countless movies and commercials, decades of pop culture appearances. The General Lee silhouette became instantly recognizable. Kids grew up with posters. Collectors grew up hunting for them. But the real Charger R/T? It was even better than the Hollywood fantasy. 4. Big block fury. Under the hood of the R/T beat the heart of Mopar power. 440 Magnum. 375 horsepower. 480 lb-ft of torque. This wasn't a gentle giant, this was a street predator. If that wasn't enough, buyers could order the 426 Hemi, an engine built for NASCAR domination. Dodge didn't build the Charger R/T to be reasonable. They built it to win. 5. A car that felt dangerous. Everything about the Charger R/T pushed boundaries. The weight. The torque. The speed. The sheer intimidation factor. It was the kind of car that made you tighten your grip on the wheel. It rewarded bravery, punished hesitation, and delivered an adrenaline rush no modern car can replicate. 6. Mopar Brotherhood. Owning a '69 Charger wasn't just about performance. It was about joining a community of die-hard believers who saw Mopar not as a brand, but as a way of life. The Charger R/T became the cornerstone of that identity. Engine options: 1969 Charger R/T, 440 Magnum V8, 375 HP, 480 lb-ft torque, 426 Hemi V8. Rated 425 HP, true 470 to 500 HP. 490 plus lb-ft torque. Performance: 0 to 60 miles per hour, 445.7 seconds. 0 to 60 miles per hour, Hemi 5.3 seconds. A quarter mile, 414.0 seconds. A quarter mile, Hemi 13.4 seconds. Production numbers: 1969. Total Chargers built: 89,000 plus. Charger R/T, 21,000 plus. Hemi R/T, only 432 units. Hemi R/T 4-speed, very rare, 200 units. Market values: USA collector market. Clean driver 440 R/T, $85,000 to $140,000. High quality restored, $150,000 to $220,000. Real Hemi R/T, $280,000 to $600,000 plus. Show level Hemi, up to $900,000 plus. Cultural weight. The 69 Charger R/T became the outlaw hero's car, the street racer's dream, the collector's trophy, the Hollywood icon, a symbol of raw American horsepower. The 1969 Charger R/T isn't just remembered. It's felt. When you sit behind that massive steering wheel. When the big block shakes the ground beneath you. When the body lines catch the light just right. You feel something modern cars can't replicate. You feel connected. To history. To rebellion. To a version of America where the open road meant freedom. This is a car that demands respect. That commands attention. That makes you feel like the hero, or the outlaw, of your own movie. Collectors don't chase the Charger R/T because it's rare. They chase it because it reawakens something inside them. Adventure, danger, curiosity, freedom. The 69 Charger R/T is not transportation. It's transformation. If you love real muscle, dangerous muscle, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment below. Which one are you choosing, 440 Magnum or the legendary 426 Hemi? And get ready. The next Mopar legend is already rumbling in the garage.